Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the simplest causes. First, confirm you have a Hyperx Cloud 2 with the detachable microphone and the inline USB/3. 5mm dongle. Once done, inspect the mic jack, cable, and inline controller for bends, frays, or loose pins. Physical faults are common. Then plug the headset into a secondary device or swap the cable to verify whether the mic hardware or the PC/console is at fault. This saves time and points the next concrete step. You now focus on software. On Windows, open Sound Recording and pick the headset mic or USB audio device as default. On Mac, choose the device in Sound Preferences. Make sure microphone levels and boost are reasonable, then disable audio enhancements to avoid processing conflicts. Next, set the sample rate to 16-bit, 48,000 Hz for the Cloud 2. Finally, update or reinstall USB and audio drivers and Hyperx Ingenuity if you finish by addressing hardware and verification. Reset the detachable boom until it clicks and confirm the inline mute switch is off. Try a different USB port or a powered hub to rule out power issues. Then run a voice recorder or a quick call to test real input, watch meters, and listen. If the mic remains silent, swap in a known good microphone or examine the headset jack and solder joints for damage. If unresolved, contact Hyperx support for replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.